Hey guys, I am Bhargav Mullapudi and welcome to my channel Bhargav's Life. Today's video is on the topic colors of the sky. You may wonder, why does the sky appear blue in the day and night and reddish during sunset? Well, I am about to answer that. This occurs due to a phenomenon called dispersion of light, specifically Rayleigh scattering. Now, though the sun appears yellow, it actually contains white light. And as you may know already, white light contains 7 colors, that is, of the rainbow or Vibgyor: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. The scattering of light depends on the wavelengths. Rayleigh scattering allows shorter wavelengths of light to scatter more effectively. In the colors of white light, violet light has the shortest wavelength, but violet light cannot be seen by the human eye. So, the shortest wavelength color that the human eye can see is the blue light. So, the blue light scatters the most effectively. This occurs during the daytime since the sun is the closest to us, and so the scattering happens when sunlight meets with air molecules in the atmosphere, allowing the light to be scattered in different directions. Coming back to the point, when the sun is closer to us, the one light with the shorter wavelength can scatter more effectively. So, the blue wavelength has already scattered and the color is visible in the atmosphere in the sky. When the blue wavelength reaches our eyes through the air molecules, we are able to see the color of the sky as blue. This sums up a part of the sky's colors. But you may wonder, what about sunrise and sunset? Why is it not blue then? Well, since the sun is farther from us at the time, the white light has to travel more distance. During this journey, most of the blue light has already scattered. Since red and yellow have longer wavelengths, they are able to remain in the atmosphere for a longer time. And now, since they have entered the atmosphere, they are scattered by air molecules. Now, this is the color that comes in the atmosphere. Again, like blue light, when this color reaches our eyes or these wavelengths reach our eyes, we are able to see the color of the sky as a reddish shade. With this, we sum up the content for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, write it down in the comments. I'll take the top 3 questions in the next video. Bye for now and see you soon.